Right. Okay. So as per the table, so everyone had different desires. So everyone they needed some of the different development goals needed for their aspirations. Fulfill their aspirations. Fulfill their needs. Means so every person, as per Adivasi people, or landless people, or farmers, or rich girl, or rich boy, so whatever. So everyone seek many things. Everyone have different desires in their mind, but so everyone they tried for the development. So compulsory, why they want development goals means they can fulfill their aspirations. Everyone can fill their needs. The first one. So as for when compared to both people, the two persons or group of peoples may seek, may mean they have some of the different goals are there, but sometimes it will conflict. As for two persons, as per group of people may seek different things, may seek things, but sometimes it will happen conflicts. It's completely lead to conflicts. So, can you give one example? I will suppose. Don't know. Example: rich girl, rich girl and rich boy. Example: suppose both are in one family, means rich kids. But as per girl, she needs some of the freedom from her brother's side, and even she expects some of the work from the brother's side to work in their homes. Means what happened here? The girl, she expects some of the things. First of all, she needs some of the freedom. It is common. We discuss the one. She needs freedom. But she expects some of the household work shared by her brother side. Means she expects, she expected some of the work, some of the work shared by her brother. But actually, the brother, he never done any works in the home. Ask the brother, he never does the works. He never done any works. He never do any works in the home. Means what happened here? Ask for, she have some different goals. Ask for brother, she have, means he has some different goals. But sometimes the both development goals were lead to the conflicts. Okay, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Means as per girl, she expected some of the freedom. She expected some of the opportunity from her brother's side. And even she expected some of the work shared by her brother. But brother, he never do any works. He never involved in household works in the home. So this is the sometimes what happened. The both development goals will lead to the conflicts. Okay, ma'am?
Yes.
Yes. So different person have different goals for their development, but it's not possible to lead. It's not possible to complete development for others. Means see once the two peoples are there. The two peoples have different developments, but it's not possible to give complete development for both. Means only some of the developments, some of the goals fulfilled by the both people, but it's not 100%. Only few goals were fulfilled by the people. Okay, ma?
Yes, sir.
So different person have different goals, no changes. Different persons can have different goals, no problem, but it's not possible to fulfill their needs, fulfill their development goals. And sometimes it is not possible to cover for other also. Example, best example here. The both people will become, the both people belongs to one family. But as per girl, she has some different goals. As per boy, he has some different goals. But when both, means when we think about both, it is not possible to, it is not possible to fulfill their needs, fulfill their development goals for other. So compulsory, she have to sacrifice, she have to do some of the works in the home. But sometimes she never got such a freedom from her brother's side. So this is the problem. Okay, ma?
Yes, sir.
So different person can have different development. Different development. Different persons can have different development, but the development for one maybe for others means only what the meaning here. Some of the developments for only for one side. It's not possible to cover for others. It's completely cover for only some of the things. It's possible to cover only some of the goals. Okay, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Means different companies have different developments. So this is the main, means this is the extracted information from the table. Okay, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes. But sometimes development or maybe not development. It is depend on the development goals. Okay, ma?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes development is there, but sometimes it's not possible to expect development goals from the others. The best example here on this. But boy, he will fulfill the needs. There is no problem. But when compared to the girl, when compared to the girl, she never expect any different. She never expect any different development goals from her brother's side. So it is a problem. Okay, ma?
Yes, sir.
Means what may be development? Maybe development. Means development is a no problem, but it is completed development for only one. For one. What may be development for one? Maybe or may not be development for others. May not be development for others. See, what may be development for one means either development goals fulfilled by the one person or may not be development for others. The best example here I will give for you. Means sometimes some of the development goals fulfill, but it is not possible to give accuracy. It is not possible to fulfill their needs completely by one person or by other persons. Okay, ma?
Yes,
Yes. So next topic, income and other goals. Income means when you doing any work at particular place for doing work, so they paying some of the amount instead of service. Instead of service, so it is known as income. Okay, income and other goals. See, once farmer, he cultivating so many crops, But when he sold the grain in the market, means when he sell his sacrifice, when he sell his service in the market, he will get some of the money. So it is known as income. Okay, ma?
Yes, sir.
And other goals. So income. So why the information they given? We will see. Means people desire. Means what are the people's have different development goals in their mind. First of all, means common development goals needed for the people. See, when these are common development goals, it's not possible to cover for everyone. Only common basic things. First of all, regular work. Regular work. So it is one of the development goals needed for everyone, not for only one member. It's needed for everyone. So and again, better wages means good salaries. Better wages. First of all, regular work, and second one, better wages. Okay, ma? And again, the better price for their crops and better price for their crops. Okay, ma? Regular work and better wages and better price for their crops or other products or other products. Even regular work and better wages and better price for their crops or other products. So what are the products manufactured by the people? So compulsory they needed so proper price. Otherwise, it's not possible to earn the income properly. Okay, ma?
Yes, sir.
Products that they produce. That they produce. Okay, ma? Okay, everyone.
Yes.
Yes, and some of the people they seek some of the things. Some of the people they need some of the common things. First of all, people seek many things. People seek
Equal
many
treatment, sir.
things. Yes. So some of the people they depend on these things, but some of the people they think for some other ways. First of all, equal treatment. Equal treatment. See once some of the people they seek some of the ways, some different ways. But some of the people they seek some of the things. First of all, equal treatment and freedom and security and one more. Anyone guess?
Respect of
for
others.
others, sir.
Respect.
Ah, yes, first next one, respect for others. Respect for others. See
There
what?
is no discrimination, sir.
And again, stop discrimination. So it is one of the part in equal treatment. There is no need to write again and again. Other if you write means again problem is. So it is completely under the no discrimination. Okay, ma? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these are the things are common in the discrimination. Means instead of this one, it's better to write stop discrimination. See one simple word. Stop discrimination means many people seek the many things in Dutch. Stop discrimination. Stop discrimination. Some of the people they think some of the things. Some of the people they seek some of the things. So different people have different seeks and different things in their mind for goals for development. Okay, ma?
Yes, sir.
So first take this photo mark and again its content is a little bit likely. Please pause, take the photos mark.
Took, sir.
Okay,
Sir.
very good. Yes? Okay, right. Next. Now. Okay. So some of the people they have some of the important goals. Either may important or may not be important. See one. Some of the goals are important or may not be important. But some of the people they seek some of the things. First of all, more income or more consumption. First of all, some of the people may seek many things. Here we write different things, but I have to understand. People may seek different things. How the people they need some of the development goals means they depend on the production, they depend on the raw materials. So in that, some of the people they thought in their mind, they seek in their mind more income or more consumption. So it doesn't come. More income or more consumption means more profit for their goods, for their raw materials. Okay, ma'am?
Yes.
Or because means where is the not right? Because for their raw materials, because of raw materials or because of production. See one. So here we come. Same thing. But here some of the changes are there. But it's same. But no changes. But only changes is consumption. Consumption also is one of the word related to profit. No changes here. Okay, ma'am?
Yes.
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 And again, some of the people they seek some of the things to purchase the goods. How do we purchase the goods? Means money. So money are material things that can we buy. Which one is needed for our life? Means our life was depend on some of the things. So for them, we can buy easily with help of money. But some of the things is not possible to buy with the help of money. See once both ways are there. But money is needed for the people to buy. For their life depend. Okay, ma'am. Money is needed to buy or life depends. See one. So for this, they given more examples. So it is completely related to the money. So compulsory money is one of the important source for the people to purchase the goods, to purchase anything. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So, but sometimes money is not important for the life. Sometimes money important, I will accept the point. But sometimes is money is never do anything in particular times. So how, sir? Now I will give example for you. See one. Example. So don't write the example, ma. I will write only shortcut. I will explain more, but I will write only few information on the board. See once. Suppose I am the person. Now present. I am working as a software employee. Just example, ma. I am working as a software employee in Hyderabad. In middle of the time, exactly in middle of the time, our working company just transfer to the Bangalore. See once. They suddenly transfer to the Bangalore. So what happened now here? What happened? The shifting place was shifted to the Bangalore. Means what happened here? Sometimes money is not important for your life. When the position will change, when position will change, money is not important for you. Okay, ma?
Yes.
So compulsory, before changing place, you need some of the things. You have to accept some of the factors for your life. For you have to consider. Means before earning income, you have to think in your mind some of the things. First of all, facilities. First of all, facilities. And second one, your family. And third one, working atmosphere. And fourth one, opportunities to learn. See, once the four things, it's never depend on income. See, once sometimes income is not depend on your life. Sometimes money is needed your life. When situation will come, money is important for you. Okay, ma?
Yes, sir.
So, for before accepting, we have to try to consider before accepting. We have to consider. We have to consider some of the things. Before accepting, we have to consider some of the things. In that, first of all, facilities. First of all, they have to think about the facilities. First of all, facilities. And one more, he has to think about the family. First of all, you have to think about facilities. So, if the facilities are available or not, you don't know. If the facilities are comfortable for the family, or you don't know. And again, working atmosphere. Working atmosphere. Working atmosphere and opportunities. Working atmosphere or opportunities to learn. Opportunities to learn. Okay, ma? Everyone? Okay. See once. So first of all, before consider the promotion, before shifting one place, I have to think about some of the things. I have to think some of the facilities. In the first of all, family, working conditions, and second one, working atmosphere, and third one, opportunities to learn. Okay, ma? Okay,
Yes.
everyone? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So sometimes money is important, but it is not possible to fulfill their needs in particular situation. So one more example, Corona. I will give best example for you. Now Corona situation is there. How Corona situation is there? Some of the people, they have crores of rupees, but it's not possible to get the proper treatment. No, money is big. Why he need money now? There is no situation. Means sometimes money is important. I will accept, but sometimes money is never do anything in particular situation. Okay, ma?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So same continue. We'll discuss tomorrow again. Okay, ma?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Just take the photo now, please. Take the photo.
Already took, sir.
I don't know here there. One more is there here. They already took photo in the previous. One more is there.
Yes, sir, took.
Yes? Everyone took the photos or not?
Yes, sir, took, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay? Yes, very good.
Sir, your video password, sir.